Welcome back to the channel. I hope all is having a good week. So we sold some strike prices pretty close to our cost basis this past week here, this week we're in, and we need to check on that now. So I'm going to jump over to our account, and looking at the account here, looking at GoPro, we sold a 950 call that expires this Friday. The stock has gone above 950. Our cost basis was 1136. We're going to need to buy this call back, and I was out of town, so weren't able to check this closer to 950, but it's not Friday yet, so we can still buy it back. So what we want to do is we want to come to the actual call, not the stock itself, but the call, and then come over to the drop down. So you have GoPro, the actual stock, and then if you look right below it, if you're on the computer, you'll see the call. So you want to make sure you use this one and not that, and it'll take you straight to that option. So we're gonna click the down arrow and go to options chain. And buying a call back is real similar to actually the way we sell it. We check GoPro expiration 24th. It is the 950. This is the one that we have out there. It's a call. We do have two of these out there, so we need to change the quantity to 2, and this time we'll buy the close. This is really the only time we'll use it, buying the close, because most of the time we're selling the stock or selling the options. So we'll buy the close. I'll just make this a market order. It is going to cost us $104 to do this, but so what happens is the stock right now is hovering right at $10, and if we leave it and don't do anything, it's going to sell it at $950 instead of 10. That's basically $50 times 2, which is 100. So it will pretty much make sure that this doesn't get sold below your cost basis. So I'll review and submit this, and when we come back, we can see right here it shows 0, so it is out of there. So now they're not going to sell our stock. So now what we want to do, this would be better if it was Wednesday or not so close to the expiration date, which is tomorrow, but we can still recover because we were still like $5 short. So we'll come over to the drop down box. This time we do want to go to the actual stock itself, not the call below it. And looking at the thing, which is 1 day out, it's at 997. Wouldn't even do the 10 because it could easily hit that. It's pretty sure it's not going to hit the 1050. So we'll hit 1050. We'll come over here, click on trade, and reading this GoPro expiration this Friday, 1050 strike, call option, sell to open, quantity of 2, and a market order. And we can basically see this is the difference. So it's not like we gained or lost anything, but we didn't end up losing our shares at a price that's lower than our cost basis. So I'll review and submit this, and we can see we did get filled here. So that's basically all it is. Again, we're trying to sell this at a strike price that will bring in some money, but also we got to make sure that while doing that we pay attention and buy it back if we need to. So guys, I hope that helps when it comes to buying a call back and then reselling it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.